The third area of work in which I've been involved, third out of many, has to do with family support or supporting families. How is it, I wondered, as a parent, that public policy could support us to support Jay? So I began to do some work in 1991 around this issue of family support. Some of my colleagues were writing about it at the time, and I began to read their work. I published an analysis of family support issues in 1991, and along with that analysis, I published a model statute. The model statute laid out justifications, purposes, nature of family support, the means of family support, and the accountability for family support. Now, that was in 1991. Several years later, once again, Bobby Silverstein and Andy Bacon, who was on the subcommittee as a Kennedy Fellow, called me up and said, "Rudd, come on over. We want to talk with you about writing a family supports provision for the Individuals with Disabilities Act," which is the current version of the Public Law 94-142. I said, "Well, that'll be fine." Well, what happened is that the model statute then became part of the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act. It was known then as Part I of IDEA, and it was inside the statute, not funded, unfortunately, for about 5 years, I think. Because it had not been funded, Congress, the advocates, transferred it to the Developmental Disabilities Act. It's now known as Title II of the Developmental Disabilities Act. So the 1991 statute went into federal law in education, then into federal law under the Developmental Disabilities Act. I think that's a fairly significant achievement. It's like the Technology Act. It's like the IDEA regulations. It is taking my family experience, my training as a lawyer, writing a statute, and getting it embedded. And these still are part of the law today, 2014.